या कुंदेंदु तुषार हार धवला या शुभ्र वस्त्रावृष या वीणावर दंड मंडित करा या श्वेत पद्मासन. We are in the month of August. By this time, our school celebrate number of programs like 18 June, Vana Mahotsav, Guru Purnima, Raksha Bandhan and many more. But this year we could not celebrate it together because of the COVID-19 world pandemic. While you are not at school, we would like to give you a glimpse of your school and tell you that even apart, you are in our heart. Hope this video finds you healthy and safe.
Dear children, since March we are at home. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, school has been closed. You are at home with your parents doing online studies. Our teachers are in constant touch with you and they have been always supportive to you all. We are missing you a lot. Dear children, now we have to learn to face this challenge. We request you to be safe and take care of yourself. Thank you.
To my lovely students and dear parents, school is said to be a place where education is imparted along with the human values. Coincidentally, name of our school is the name of the god Mangirish, situated at the picturesque village of Aroba, and we all are its devotees. Each and every member of the school, whether it is management, PTA, teaching, non-teaching staff, are equally important. And you, my dear students, are main pillars of our school. We, as a team, have shown colors of success like 100% SSC result in the last 3 years, along with other school achievements. These days, though teachers are coming to school and teaching you all through online mode, we are missing you a lot. We should all know to face good as well as difficult situations in life. If through this pandemic, God is testing our patience and ability to tackle with the difficult situations in life. If we go ahead with it, we will be successful in life. Stay strong, stay safe, and come back with the same enthusiasm of becoming successful in life. Thank you.
We all know that life during COVID-19 pandemic has become difficult for parents and children too. To return to school is an important step, but you and your parents might have many questions like how and when the school will reopen, is it safe for my child to go back to school, what precautions the school will be taking, and many such questions. We would like to provide you a pictorial view of precautionary measures taken by our school.
Dear students, we are working towards daily cleaning and disinfectioning of the classrooms and surfaces that are touched by many to provide you safe and healthy environment when you return. To keep you away from any infections, we will ensure you regularly wash your hands with clean water and soap. We have placed a hand sanitizer at the entrance of the school to make sure anyone who enters the school premises sanitizes his or her hands properly. We have made a special movable partition in the school hall that is waiting for your appraisal. To improvise the teaching learning, the classes are getting equipped with platform stages. The Vidyalaya has obtained new set of benches. The other partitions in the school has a brand new look.
Dear students, while COVID-19 has forced schools to close down and made you learn at home under your parents' guidance, we know it's not an easy task for you all. We would like to tell you that your teachers are continuously working harder than ever to provide you the best learning experience by conducting online classes through Google Meet, WhatsApp, PowerPoint presentations, audios and videos made by teachers, and by sending worksheets through your parents. So let's hear out the messages of our students and teachers.
I miss my school. Stay home, stay safe, enjoy online learning. Let's fight this pandemic together.
I am eagerly waiting to join our school back.
Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Do your studies well, drink hot water and eat healthy food. Stay safe. Hello students, hope your online classes are going well. Study regularly, take care of yourself. Stay home and stay safe.
Hello students, how are you all? How your studies are going on? In this situation, sanitize your hands properly. Take care of yourself. We all teachers missing you a lot.
Hi students, how are you? I am waiting for you all and missing you a lot. Be safe at home with your parents. Take care.
Hello students, how are you? Hope you are well at home during this pandemic of COVID-19. Me and your computer lab is waiting for you. Hoping to see you soon. Bye and take care.
Dear students, you have never been at home for this long. We all know it's not easy, it's difficult, but not impossible. Today, technology is helping us to stay connected with the world, and that's why we all are working here. We hope to keep you engaged more and more. Till then, stay home, stay safe.
Hello my dear students, we miss you all. While you are at home, you can keep your mind active. In the meantime, don't forget to smile. We are still working together and thinking about you. Remember to laugh, relax, reflect. Stay home, stay safe.
Hello students, how are you? Be safe at home. Do not travel anywhere. Keep learning. I miss your smile and waiting to see you soon. Take care.
Hello dear students, how are you all? Stay home, stay safe and enjoy your studies. I miss you all.
Hello dear students, you all are being very much missed by all of us and we'll be together very soon. Till then, stay home, stay safe, boost your immunity, stay healthy and enjoy your learning.
Dear students and parents, do yoga and physical exercises. Build your immunity power. Be safe, keep your family members safe. Your PE sir is waiting for your arrival.